TV is more concerned with projecting indigenous tradition and culture. We also touch of pressing issues. Okay, this is AFI TV, an indigenous culture based in a group platform based in Ghana. Um, Traditional rulers are at the base, traditional government, House of Chiefs. So it's a federation of villages, good communication network. I'm going to present the information. Okay, His Excellency Mr. Eugene Bernard Holliday, accompanied by his wife Mrs. M.L. Holliday Hazel, made a formal visit to the Igbo Palace in Ghana. His Majesty Eze Ambassador Chukwudi Jude Ihenetu Eze Oha Zurume I Eze Ndiibo Ghana, the Public Secretary of Ndiisioji, Global Peace Ambassador, welcomed them at his palace, Obiezioku. Might be Obiezioku, in East Legon, Accra, Ghana. Aside his chiefs and elders, he received the distinguished guest, the first governor of St. Maarten, His Excellency Mr. Eugene Bernard Holliday, and his wife. Mr. Eugene Bernard Holliday, a politician from St. Maarten, served as its first governor following the country's establishment within the Kingdom of Netherlands on October 10, 2010. But for his tenure as governor from 2010 to 2022, he was a president of Princess Juliana International Airports. During his visit, Eze Ihenetu expressed his honor in welcoming the first and former governor of St. Maarten and his wife to his palace, emphasizing the visit as a symbol of the strong relations between their communities. He shared the importance of discussing investment opportunities and encouraging the Caribbean diaspora to reconnect with their African roots, thanking Mr. Holliday for his support and dedication to this initiative. Eze Ihenetu hoped the visit would foster warmth, enlightenment, and beneficial discussions, reinforcing the friendship between their people. The report was provided by the Obi Igbo Palace Media. So here are the pictures. There's the Eze Ihenetu in his palace. I'm assuming that's real gold. Here's the Eze, or the chief priest of the community, with St. Maarten representative. I believe it's the French-speaking part of St. Maarten. So there should be strong connections to the Haitian Empire, Guadeloupe, Martinique. So this isn't a small matter. St. Maarten, and this is the brother and his wife. This is the wife with the resident chief. This is the brother from the Dutch Caribbean and his wife again, folding their arms. Yep. All right. And these are some Igbo land representatives, I'm assuming, by the manner of dress, the red caps and the caps. This is, let's see, they're handing the documents, nation building. I wonder who's the author. That's interesting. Might be someone we know. Yeah, nation building based on tradition. So just the Igbo connection in Ghana, self-determination to the Caribbean, Curacao, St. Maarten, Dutch and French Caribbean, that's a connection to Haiti. So it's excellent. So that's someone, a sister, Reverend Nwosu, Dutch Caribbean Igbo land activist, forwarded this to me. And she has connection to Arochukwu, Old Imo State, in the Bantu region of Nigeria, aka Biafra. So we have support on ground in Ghana, Igbo land, Biafra, and the Caribbean. So we're growing. Haiti, Empire, Dutch Caribbean Empire villages. So that's it. So peace.